How to use the Wi-Fi 6 protocol in your Android device. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can enable Wi-Fi 6 in your Android device. So in order to enable Wi-Fi 6, the first thing that you will need to do is simply go to the settings of your Android device. And now once you are inside the settings, you can either find it in the Wi-Fi option or either in the connection and sharing option. In my device it is present in the connection and sharing option, so I'm gonna click here, and then from here you will see this personal hotspot. So simply go to personal hotspot, and then under personal hotspot you will see hotspot settings. So simply click onto hotspot settings, and under here you will see this last toggle that says use Wi-Fi 6. The Wi-Fi 6 protocol provides a faster connection. Hotspot using Wi-Fi 6 may not be found by some older device models. So simply make sure to enable this toggle, and now your phone will use the Wi-Fi 6 protocol whenever you are using your Wi-Fi hotspot. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.